First, connect to your Wi-Fi network. Open a web browser and go to the address you see on the screen. If none of these addresses worked, then find the address printed on a label on the back or bottom of your router. If this address also did not work, then watch my other video where I show how to find the correct IP address of the router and then return to this video. All links are in the description. After entering the correct address, you will be taken to the login page. Here, you'll need to type in your router's username and password. For most NETGEAR routers, the default username is admin, and the default password is password. After entering your login details, click this button. If these details do not work, then find the default information on the label on the back or bottom of your router. If nothing works, you will need to reset the router to its factory settings and set it up again from scratch. Links to videos are in the description. Done. You are now in the router's admin panel. While the admin panel finishes loading, I recommend the best VPN service on the market, NordVPN. It gives you secure access to all restricted content and websites worldwide. Use the link below for a 70% discount on your first month. Try NordVPN risk-free with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Go to the Advanced tab. Then go to the Administration tab. Backup Settings. And on this page, click the Backup button. Select the location where you want to save the settings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to secure your connection with NordVPN using the link in the description for that 70% discount.